Alright, so that's a 99 Svt Cobra that customer of mine brought me. And he was wanting us to put on this supercharger kit, which is everything from a 0304 Terminator Cobra. Like so much, I really don't know what to do with it. And talked him into selling that because it's a pain in the ass to put on. And we're gonna do a Vortech style V2 trim centrifugal blower. It does cost like $4,000, but this thing will probably make closer to 700 horsepower than it ever would with that. Those you can only go up to around 5-ish. And yeah, so this is the Cobra. 4-valve V8. Hand built by Doug. And this is a street car, it's not like a drift car or anything like that. This is the whole kit. The blower, all the pumps, or the pump for the heat exchanger over there. All the wiring, ECU. This thing screws onto the harmonic balancer, and that's, yeah, that thing bangs around in there, and that's your supercharger pulley. Big 7 rib, 8 rib, whatever. Timing cover. I did not want to have to deal with that thing, so I told him, I was like, hey, the blower doesn't even sit all the way on the engine because of these drains on the bottom. So I was like, yeah, no, this thing's it's not a bolt-on deal, like, it's being a bitch. So we're gonna just sell that kit, get a new one, go Vortech style, and the Vortex blower sit right here, and you know, come off and then up back in the intake. But no, this thing, it's dope. It's a manual. It's had some work done to it because it has a tubular front subframe. I don't know if they come that way, but I'm pretty sure they don't. It's got tubes that run from the front subframe all the way down the underbody of the car to the rear axle, which this is a live axle car. It already has some Nitto 5.5s on it. Yeah, it's got a big beefy rear end. It says Ford Racing on the cover, the diff cover, but I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, this is going to be a project that's here with us for a little while. He's not really worried about time, more about, well, he's not really worried about time or money. This dude's like construction worker pretty much. So he just wants us to get everything ordered and get it rolling for him. We can tune it. We have HP tuners now, but we really got it for our trucks. So like I got it for the, you know, to use on the Reaper and the 07 Silverado, and then Zach mainly got it to tune his Ram because you know how the lifters are in those things and DOD stuff. So yeah, we have HP tuners, not professional tuners yet, but we may tinker with this a hair, unless he wants us to just send it off and have a dyno tuned, which would probably be best, considering the money that's about to go into it. So yeah, that's where we're at with this. Kind of neat, something different. Hopefully this, you know, we'll do jobs like this and they pop off and they can fund me to do cool shit like put a built bottom in the Lexus or something like that. Yeah. Later.